Well, hello there, and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I will be showing you on how to add a font outline in CorelDraw. So let's get started. Well, the first thing I'll want to do is to type in a text in here. So I'll navigate into my text area and pick my text tool, and I'll type in the word go. When you notice when you type the word go in its font, you can actually change the font size. You can change the font type, for example. I'll just highlight that. I can change the font type to any of my choice. I can also change the font size, make them bold, and a few other manipulations. But you realize that even if I select the same text and change the color of it, you notice that the outline still maintains the color of the original text. And if I try to just right click to show the outline, you can tell that there is an outline, but I cannot really maneuver to make it either larger or smaller. Well, to make fonts a little bit flexible when you're editing in CorelDraw, you'll want to convert this text into a curve. And to do that, I'll just select my select tool, click on the text, right click on them, and select convert to curve. Notice that I can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Q to convert this text into a curve. So I'll click on convert into a curve, and you realize now I have the ability to manipulate the outline by the tools options that appears at the top area. I can navigate into the outline size, and I can select either to make it a little bit bigger or to make it a little bit smaller. Now I can also go back into my color panel here and right click on any of the colors of choice to make sure that my text now picks in the outline with the color of choice. It is easy also to change the outline to any type of line segmentation. I can pick the dotted lines if that is what I prefer, and this creates a very interesting outline depending on the design that you'd like to portray to the world. Well, that is how you add and work with outlines within text in CorelDraw. Well, thanks for following along, and if you like this video, click on the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next nugget.